Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. and in today's video we'll be doing another unboxing from our good friends over at Benchmark Abrasives, the official abrasive sponsor of N.R.T. Off-Road Performance. Sent us some more products as we were getting low. See what they sent in this box. Hope everyone's having a great Saturday. There is 2 of their wipe containers. Then there is 2 new shirts, because I wear the shirts a lot. Then we got some 6-inch Sawzall blades for cutting metal. Where are those wood? They're wood. Buy them. Yeah, those are wood. Okay, wood Sawzall blades. And here's 12-inch ones. Then I got some bits, some Phillips bits, all different types. Yeah. So that's what was in that box. And that is 4 more of their wipes. These wipes, hands down, are the best ones I have ever had. I'm not just saying that because they sent me these. I truly mean that. When I was buying these, I wasn't working with Benchmark Abrasives. They get the hands nice and clean after working on stuff. And they're just awesome. They have like a gritty material on them, kinda. Hands down, they're awesome. If you're a mechanic or your hands are always getting dirty, highly recommend the Scrubby Nut Industry clean hand wipes from Benchmark Abrasives. They also got a liquid, not liquid, but it's a soap with a dispenser that you can hang on the wall. It's like trying to think. That orange brand, you know, that orange brand. Can't think of their name right now. But if you're a mechanic, you know what I'm talking about. The orange soap that you always use. It's like that, but Benchmark Abrasives. And I personally think Benchmark Abrasives is better for the hands. And it does a better job. So that's just my personal opinion. Maybe I got a bad batch of the orange stuff. But that's just my personal opinion. I've had my hands burn sometimes on the orange stuff. Benchmark Abrasives don't make my hands burn. So I think Benchmark Abrasives is more environmental friendly. And that is always good. Now I'm pretty sure the last box should be 4 more. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is. I'll try to get this video up tonight, guys. It's currently 12 o'clock lunchtime, so I'll see if I can work some magic and get it up by 7 or 7:30 tonight for you guys. But I just had a video release of me putting a new seat on my John Deere 5205 tractor. That literally just released like I think 30 minutes ago, or uploaded 30 minutes ago. So go check that out and give me a subscribe. Yeah, so it's just 4 more of them. So I got 10 of these in total. So, yeah. So, good products, great company to work with. I always look forward to working with Benchmark Abrasives. They've been a long time sponsor of the channel. And, yeah. Always look forward to reviewing their products, using their products, telling you about their products, and telling you if they're junk or if they're good. Because I'm real. I don't play favorites no matter if you pay me, if you send me free products. I am real. 100% real. That's just the way I am. Now, I'll go take you over to my wall of benchmarker stuff. Don't mind. A bit of mess in here, but it is getting better. So Benchmark Abrasives is famous for abrasive wheels, grinding wheels. So I pretty much got almost every type of grinding wheel you possibly think of. I got ones for aluminum. Those are cut off just for aluminum. Those are thicker grinding wheels for regular size angle grinder. Those are a little bit thicker. Then I got cut off disc. And down here I got cut off disc for a regular size angle grinder. I got wire wheels of every type size. I got 4 different sizes of 3-inch cut off disc. And they sent me 10 of them last year, and I'm down to my last one, guys. The grinding wheels have been holding up great. I think the next grinding wheel I'm going to review is their 14-inch shop saw grinding wheels, because I am thinking about getting the new Milwaukee, well, it's not new, it came out a couple years ago, but the Milwaukee M18 cordless chop saw. I mean, that just seems badass if you ask me. Now, I have noticed with some battery tools, they don't have as much power as the air and the corded ones. I read the reviews on it, and it's kind of, they say it has the same power, a little more than the corded ones, so we'll see about that. But that is like, Home Depot has a deal going on right now where if I buy that, the tool itself, I get a free angle grinder, M18 angle grinder for $249. So for $249, I get the chop saw and a free angle grinder, and the angle grinder is usually $190 by itself. This doesn't come with batteries or chargers, but I have the batteries and I got chargers, so might be doing that. So stay tuned. So, but yeah. So hope you all are having a great Saturday, and catch you on the next one. Thanks to you all for stopping by. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Come on, let's get these subscribes up. Let's see if we get the 10,000 subscribers. Come on, guys. Great quality work here.